Cedar, can you say open?
Oh, you want that one too?
Open.
They're mine. They're all mine.
Okay, open
Now
one,
you get
Cedar.
to open them.
Which one would you like?
Rip
to
and
open?
tear.
Come on, sleepy man.
Rip and tear.
Time to open the
Can we
presents.
open this one?
Tear and rip.
Give it a pull. Oh, good pull.
That was a real elf that wrapped that one. It's so tightly wrapped. None of this easily unwrapped.
Oh,
Get in here.
it's like
Oh,
some
for
fancy new
goodness
shoes.
sake. I see giraffes.
Wow,
Giraffe shoes.
Whoa.
new shoes for Cedar.
Orange, one of that? Okay.
No.
Oh, okay. I'll just take the, how about if I take the paper out of the toe? That's a good idea.
Should clip the tags off.
Yep. Yeah, and there's another one.
You
there
gonna open
for
that one? Open, open.
He said on, but no, he doesn't want them on.
Okay.
No. Later.
Can you
What's
open
your
the
name?
next present, Cedar?
One more. That's for your back. For your back. He's fading.
Rip and tear, bud. Rip and tear.
I think he already has a pair of these, but this may be a different size.
It's a good elf that wrapped that one.
Oh, you got two wrapping. There, you can unwrap again. Yep, no, you got it.
Just rip and tear. You're getting practice at it.
Kind of like to keep it. I'll save this for later. Snow? It is snow. It's mine. It's mine. He's saving it. I'm not gonna open this now. It's my last present. I'm gonna melt this one out. Yeah, give it a pull.
He still has one more present later.
Oh yeah. Trevor's gonna come by later and
Jeffy has
he'll
a
have
couple
supper
presents.
with us and
Yeah.
he'll bring Cedar a present.
Oh, hello.
Oh, bear mitts.
Oh, bear mitts.
I think he has a pair, doesn't he?
Yeah, I think those ones are bigger though.
Yeah, that's yeah.
On
They're nice and warm. Can you stick your hand in there, Cedar? Oh, they're so cozy.
On.
Don't forget about the thumb hole.
Where's that thumb? Where's that little thumb?
There it is.
Oh, got your finger stuck.
You gonna snap off one of those pinky fingers?
Don't joke with him and scissors. That's not funny. It might help if they were apart, though. Except we want that little tag.
Open a